Let's get real. Life moves fast, and it can feel like there's never enough time in the day. Between work, family, and everything else on your plate, cooking healthy meals might seem impossible. But here's the truth. Saying no time to cook is just an excuse we tell ourselves. We've all been there, staring into an empty fridge or settling for another disappointing takeaway meal because it feels easier. But think about it. If you have time to scroll through your phone, you have time to make a meal. Even just a few minutes can be enough to whip up something nourishing. The real secret isn't finding more hours, it's having a plan. With a little organization, you can make healthy eating fit your schedule, no matter how packed it is. Today, I'm going to show you 10 fast, healthy recipes that are perfect for busy professionals. No more sad desk lunches, no more overpriced takeaways, and definitely no more excuses. These dishes are quick to prepare, packed with flavor, and designed to help you stay energized and focused throughout your day. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to eat well, even on your busiest days. It's time to take control, not just of your kitchen, but of your health and your routine. You have the power to make a change, starting right now. So grab your notebook, get ready to jot down some simple, delicious recipes, and let's prep like a pro together. Your new, healthier routine starts today. Let's get cooking. First up, let's talk about the smoky paprika chicken jar, a true work lunch game changer that's as delicious as it is convenient. If you're tired of bland salads or soggy sandwiches, this vibrant flavor-packed jar is about to become your new favorite midday meal. Start by generously seasoning your chicken breast with smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, a pinch of salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. The smoked paprika gives the chicken a deep, rich flavor with just a hint of warmth, while the other spices add layers of savory goodness. Sear the chicken in a hot pan until it's beautifully golden on the outside and cooked through. Let it rest for a few minutes so the juices stay locked in, keeping every bite tender and moist. While the chicken rests, grab a clean glass jar and start layering. Begin with a zesty lemon vinaigrette at the bottom to keep everything fresh. Add crisp cucumber slices, juicy cherry tomatoes, and a hearty scoop of cooked quinoa or chickpeas for extra protein and fiber. Once the chicken is cooled slightly, slice it into strips or bite-sized pieces. Layer the chicken on top of your veggies and grains, then finish with a generous handful of fresh greens, like baby spinach or peppery rocket for a burst of color and nutrients. Seal the jar tightly to keep everything crisp. When you're ready to eat, just give it a good shake to mix the dressing through, then pour it out into a bowl, or eat straight from the jar for ultimate convenience. Every bite is bursting with flavor, crisp veggies, juicy chicken, and a tangy dressing that ties it all together. It's a salad that actually satisfies. This meal is high in protein, low in fat, and totally portable, making it perfect for busy workdays or meal prepping ahead of time. Just grab and go. With the smoky paprika chicken jar, you'll never have to settle for boring desk lunches again. It's fresh, filling, and absolutely brilliant meal prep done right. 5 minutes, zero mayo. Sesame lime tuna crunch box. Drain high-quality tuna, add fresh lime juice, a dash of sesame oil, soy sauce, and sesame seeds. Gently mix, keep the tuna chunky. Add diced celery and red onion for crunch, plus edamame or water chestnuts if you like. Serve with crisp lettuce cups or whole grain crackers. Fast, fresh, and full of flavor. No excuses, just smart eating, satisfying, protein-packed, and keeps you full. Done. Plant-based? Try miso-glazed eggplant with edamame. Slice eggplant into thick rounds. Mix miso paste, mirin, rice vinegar, and water for a thick glaze. Brush both sides, then roast or pan-sear until caramelized. Steam edamame while the eggplant cooks. Plate the glazed eggplant. Scatter with edamame, and finish with sesame seeds or spring onions. Gut-friendly, light, and packed with umami. Restaurant quality, made in minutes. Perfect for meal prep or a quick dinner. Beautiful. Hungry now? When you're short on time but craving something hearty, it's easy to feel stuck. But don't worry, this 5-minute turkey pepper skillet is about to become your new go-to meal for busy days and hungry nights. All you need is a skillet, a fresh bell pepper, and half an onion. Quickly chop your veggies and toss them into a hot pan. Sauté until they start to soften and release their sweet aroma, filling your kitchen with delicious anticipation. Next, add lean ground turkey right into the skillet with your sizzling veggies. The turkey cooks fast, making this dish perfect for those who want a healthy meal in minutes. Sprinkle in a generous pinch of salt and pepper to bring out the flavors of the turkey and vegetables. Add garlic powder and oregano for a savory, herby kick. Stir everything together, letting the spices coat each bite as the turkey browns and the veggies caramelize. Cook until the turkey is fully browned and there's no pink left, ensuring every bite is juicy and safe to eat. Serve it hot straight from the pan for a quick dinner, or portion it into containers for easy meal prep. This dish is perfect for lunch at work or a speedy weeknight dinner. Want to make it even more filling? Add a scoop of brown rice or fluffy quinoa for extra fiber and energy to keep you going. This meal is high in protein, low in hassle, and packed with nutrients. It's a balanced option that supports your healthy lifestyle, even on your busiest days. With just one pan you get maximum flavor and minimal cleanup. It's colorful, satisfying, and incredibly easy to make. 5 minutes, one skillet, and you're done. Dinner doesn't get any simpler or tastier than this. Noodles can be healthy. Meet the cold soba slimming noodle box. Cook soba noodles, rinse under cold water to keep them from sticking. Whisk soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and ginger for a light dressing. Layer noodles with shredded carrots, cucumber, edamame, and spring onions. Add cooked shrimp or chicken for extra protein. Pack dressing separately, pour over before eating. Light, refreshing, and portion controlled. Perfect for workdays and weight loss. Delicious. Cottage cheese is back. Use it for a Mediterranean power plate. Spoon thick cottage cheese into a bowl. Top with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, Kalamata olives, and a sprinkle of oregano. Drizzle with olive oil, crack black pepper, and add chickpeas or bell peppers for extra fiber. Serve with whole grain crackers or celery sticks. High protein, fast prep, and filling. No cooking required. 3 minutes to assemble. Simple and smart. Late night. Garlic shrimp with zucchini ribbons is your 8-minute dinner. Peel zucchini into ribbons. Pat dry raw shrimp, season, and sear in olive oil and butter. Add garlic at the end. Don't let it burn. Remove shrimp. Toss zucchini ribbons in the same pan for a minute. Return shrimp. Squeeze over lemon, and toss. Light, flavorful, and elegant. Perfect for busy nights. Fast, healthy, and satisfying. Stunning. Oats aren't just for sweet breakfasts. Try a savory oat and egg power bowl. Cook rolled oats in water or broth, season with salt and pepper, top with a fried or poached egg. Add soy sauce, chili sauce, and spring onions. Break the yolk and mix for a creamy, protein-rich meal. Keeps you full and focused. Comfort food. Reimagined. Afternoon slump? Grab chili lime chickpea snack cups. Rinse and dry canned chickpeas. Toss with olive oil, chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and salt. Roast until crispy, then cool. Squeeze over fresh lime juice. Crunchy, spicy, and satisfying. Portion into cups for grab-and-go snacks. Skip the vending machine. High fiber, weight loss friendly. Snack like a champion. Ditch sugary drinks, make iced ginger green tea. Brew green tea, not with boiling water. Add fresh ginger slices, steep, then chill in the fridge. Serve over ice with a squeeze of lemon or lime. No sugar needed. The ginger and citrus do the work. 0 calories, super refreshing. Make a big batch for the week. Stay hydrated and on track. Cheers. That's 10 fast, healthy recipes. No more excuses. Take an hour to prep, and you'll have meals ready all week. Planning is everything. Open your fridge to real options, not regrets. Like and subscribe for more quick, healthy recipes. Start now. Your next meal is your first step. Get in the kitchen and make it happen. Well done.